you have already seen, paper 1, October November 23, additional mathematics. Now we are going to start paper 2. This is 4037 code and its variant is 22. Okay. Uh, Before starting the papers, first you must write your candidate name, center number here, and candidate number here. Then there are some informations are given. This is of 2 hours exam. Use black and dark blue pen, HB pencil for diagram. Then do not use erasable pen or correction fluid. Okay, all this, and calculator you can use. No marks will be given for the unsupported answers from our calculators. Non-exact numerical answers correct to 3 significant figures or 1 decimal place for angles in degrees unless different level of accuracy is specified in the question. And then the total marks is 80, and the number of marks in each question of part of question is shown in the bracket. Now let us see, this is the formulas, that is quadratic equations, binomial theorem, the arithmetic series, geometric series, trigonometric identities, sine rule, cosine rule, and this is the area formula of triangle. Now let us come from question number 1. Let's see what is given in that question. A straight line pass through the points as 2 1 4 23 and minus 8 23. Okay, a straight line passes through these points. Find the point of intersection P of the line y equals to 2x plus 5. So basically it seems to me it's like a simultaneous equation. Let us find an equation with these 2 points. Okay, so first of all, find the gradient. Gradient equals to, gradient is here 29 minus 23 minus 8 minus 4. Now let us simplify these two. 29 minus 23, that is 6, then minus 12. So this is minus half. Then use this gradient to find the equations. Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Now let me use any one point or any one coordinates. Okay, whether you can use 4 and 23 or we can use minus 8 29. So let me substitute y minus 23. First one is x, second one is y1. First one is x1 and second one is y1. Okay, now let me put the values. M is half, then x minus x1 is 4. Okay, now I got the equation. Now let us solve these two equations simultaneously. That means y equals to 2x plus 5 and this equation number 1. So to solve these two equations simultaneously, let me substitute in equation 1 y equals to 2x plus 5. So let me substitute 2x plus 5 minus 23 equals to minus half x, then plus 2. Let us simplify now. 2x minus minus 23 plus 5, that is 18. Okay, minus half x plus 2, then 2x minus plus half x equals to 18 plus 2, that is 20. So 4x multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus x equals to 2 times 4 20, that is 40. So 5x equals to 40, x equals to 8. 40 divided by 5, that is 8. Now that is, substitute this x value in equation number 2. Y equals to 2x plus 5. Then x is substituted by 8 plus 5. 8 to the 16 plus 5. So this is 21. Now it carries 5 marks. Okay, it's done. That's point of intersection P, 8 and 21. Now this is the next question, the distance of P from the origin. Okay, so we know the coordinates of origin is 0 0. Okay, then P's coordinates already we have got. P's coordinates is 8 21. So 8 21. We know the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let me substitute x2 and x1. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So 8 minus 0 whole square, then plus 21 minus 0 whole square. So that can be 8 square plus 21 square. Now we can directly use, okay, root over, square root of 8 square plus 21 square. Now it is becoming root over 505, and or we can write 22.5. This is with 3SF. Okay, this is the question. Find this question is a bit easier than the paper 1. So if you practice that papers, you can easily solve that questions. Now find the non-zero values of k for which y equals to 2x minus 6k minus 1 is a tangent. So this is the important point, that is tangent to the curve y equals to x plus 2k. So tangent, if we see, that is, if it is written, it's mentioned that it is intersect, we can use b square minus 4ac greater than 0. The discriminant is greater than 0, and tangent b square minus 4ac equals to 0, and does not intersect or meet b square minus 4ac less than 0. So we can straight write down like a simultaneous equation, x plus 2k equals to minus 2x minus 6k minus 1. So simplify now, remove the brackets, 2kx plus 2x plus 6k plus 1 equals to 0. If you simplify that, x square, then plus 2k plus 2x plus 6k plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now see, this is the quadratic equations. Now we know that for tangent we can write b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Let me put, this is a coefficient is 1, b coefficient is 2k plus 2, and c coefficient is 6. Constant terms is 6k plus 1. So let me substitute, that's 2k plus 2 whole square minus 4 times 1 into c is 6k plus 1 equals to 0. It's very good maths to solve. Okay, then apply the formula 4k square. Now a plus b whole square, we can apply the formula 2k whole square plus 2 times 2k point 2, multiplied by 2 plus 2 square minus 4 6 are 24k minus 4 equals to 0. Let us simplify this. 4k square plus 8k plus 4 minus 24k minus 4 equals to 0. 4 cancel, and 4k square if we subtract, it is minus 16k equals to 0. So 4k is common, k minus 4 equals to 0. So 4 cannot be 0, but k can be 0, or k minus 4 equals to 0, so k equals to 4. But k, since k is non-zero values, so this k equals to 0 is not acceptable. So k equals to 4. This is the answer for this question. Okay, it is mentioned, do not use calculators in this question. Okay, now cylinder base radius this much, volume is that much, find the exact values of height, giving your answers in this form. So the radius is, we know, the volume of cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Okay, this is the formula for volume. That means we can root 3 whole square times h equals to, since volume is pi, it was 16 plus 9 root over 3. So now it is necessary to simplify. Pi is cancelled, and h equals to 16 plus root 9 root 3 by 2 plus root 3 whole square. 2 plus root 3 whole square, we can simplify this. We can write it as 2 square plus 2 times root 3 plus root 3 whole square. Let us simplify now. 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3. Then 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 root 3. So we can write 16 plus 9 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. So this is the fraction. But we need to simplify that. Okay, giving your answers in simplest form. So how can we simplify that? We know that this is the fraction. I mean, we need to rationalize that fraction, since denominators is in its denominators are in short form. So now let us rationalize. To rationalize that, we will multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate side of 7 plus 4 root 3. So let me write here 7 minus 4 root 3, then same as 7 minus 4 root 3. Now let us use the formula a plus b times a minus b, that is a square minus b square, 4 root 3 whole square. Okay, a square minus b square, that is a plus b times a minus b. Okay, now that we can multiply this 16 times 7, 16 times 7, maybe this is 1 1 2. Okay, then 64, this will be minus 4 16s are 64 root 3. Okay, then plus 63 root 3, I mean 9 and 7, then 9 plus 4, 36, 36 times 3, 36 times 3, maybe minus 108. And simplify the denominators. 49, 4 4s are 16, 3 16s are 48. Okay, then 112 minus 108, this is 4 minus 64 root 3 plus 60, that is root 3. So down is 1. So we can write here 4 minus root 3. So this is the simplified answer. I mean 4 minus root 3. So this is the answer for question number 3. Question 4, solve the following equations. Okay, this is more easier. I think you can if you try, you can solve easily. This is the 4 marks. E to the power, then to multiply the powers, 2x plus 1, I mean 2, because a, I mean we can write x to the power a, then whole b, we will multiply the a times b, like as x square whole 3, that is x to the power 6, same as just I multiplied 2 times x plus 1. Then e to the power, this is the half, root means half, so x by 2 equals to 10. So since base is same, okay, we can subtract the power. So 2x plus 2 minus x by 2 equals to 10. And then e, since e is given, if it 10, and that's at 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1 3, 3 by 2 x plus 2. Okay, now let us simplify. This 2 goes in right side, so 3 by 2 x equals to ln 10 minus 2, then x equals to 3 by 2, that means 2 by 3 times ln 10 minus 2. So that's the answer for this one. We can write it in this form, and otherwise if we use calculators, directly type all these things in calculators, maybe the answer will be okay, I'm trying 0.202. okay, fine. This is the question B. It's from log. It's the first one is ln, and the second, this is log. Okay, now this logarithmic properties, log properties, a log x to the power b equals to, you can write log x b, and then power log. So we can write there log 9 y square minus log 9 4y minus 9 equals to half. So this is minus, we know that log m minus am log an. Since there is a minus sign, we will divide m by n. Okay, so let me write log 9 based y square divided by 4y minus 9 equals to half. And then if if you remove the log, that time it will be y square 4y minus 9 equals to 9 to the power half. 9 to the power half means square root of 9. So that is 3. So y squared by 4y minus 9 equals to 3. Square root of 9, half means square root, since it is in power. So y square equals to 3 4 is 12y minus 27. Now y square minus 12y 27 equals to 0. Now let us simplify. We can 27, it can be 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 it will be 12. So y minus 9, then y minus 3 equals to 0. And if we write the y minus 9 equals to 0, then y equals to 9, then y minus 3 equals to 0, y equals to 3. Done. So that's the answer for this one. Okay, let us come for question number 5. Find the equation of normal to the curve y equals to this one. Okay, this one. Normal, we know normal, tangent, normal. Equation of normal is y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by dy dx x minus x1. Okay, and x1 y1 is given, x1 y1 is given. Let us find out the dy dx. First of all, dy dx, let us differentiate. For the differentiation, d dx of x to the power n equals to n x to the power n minus 1. So same as 3x cube, that means 3x squared minus x squared 2x to the power minus 2 minus 1. So write times 2x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. If I differentiate x differentiated result is 1. So 12 is here, and constant terms, d dx of constant terms, result is 0, d dx of x is 1. Now simplify that, 3x square plus 14x plus 12. So that's great. Now put x value is 1, since at the point 1 and 1. So 3 times 1 square plus 14 times 1 plus 12. 3 times 1 3 plus 14 plus 12. Sorry, there is a minus sign, and then minus sign. 12 minus 3 15, so gradient is 1. So y minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 1 x minus 1. Now we can simplify that, or we can write in that way. It's up to you. Y equals to minus x plus 1, that is plus 2. So this is the equation of normal. Okay, great. Now let us come for this question. Find the x coordinates of the 2 points where the normal cuts the curve again. Where is the curve? Let us see. This is the curve. This is this line, this normal is meeting the curve again. So let me write x y equals to x cube minus 7x square plus 12x minus 5, and normal is y equals to minus x plus 2. Since it is meeting, I mean cut the curve again. So this is the important clues, that is we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. So let me write x cube minus 7x square plus 12x minus 5 equals to minus x plus 2. Okay, now let us simplify. X cube minus 7x square, then minus x, if it comes in I mean left side, it is becoming plus 13x, and minus plus 2 it comes after, I mean before equal sign, minus 7 equals to 0. Now it is necessary to factorize. Okay, how can we factorize that? So we can use remainder and factors theorem. Let me consider this is fx equals to x cube minus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. Let me do the things in trial and error method. Let me substitute x equals to 1, 7 times 1 square plus 13 times 1 minus 7. So 13, 14 minus 14. So we can say that x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, 1 minus 7 plus 13 minus 7. Now since if I, after substituting x equals to 1, it is becoming 0, so let me write here 1, and this 1 as it is, let me write 1 times 1, 1 minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 times 1 minus 6, 13 minus 6, what can it be, 6, I mean 7. Okay, 7, if I multiply with 1, it is 7, so 0. Now if the factorized form is in that way, x minus 1, then x square minus 6x plus 7 equals to, write x equals to 1, and then x square minus 6x plus 7 equals to 0. Using the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now the coefficient of, there is 1, there is a 6, that is minus b, then c. So let me substitute, equals to minus 6 plus minus root over b square minus 6 square, 4 times a is 1 and c is 7. So this is 2 times 1, 6 plus or minus root over minus 6 square minus, I mean 36 minus 28, 8, and that is 8. Okay, divided by 2. If we simplify, square root of 8, that is 2 root 2, 2 is common, so divided by 2, so 3 plus or minus root over, I mean 2. Okay, there is a 2 answers. Now this is the x equals to 1, and there is a x equals to 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. That's the final answer. Now this is the question number 6 from definite integral. You know, if we integrate fx dx, and if it is becoming fx, the limit is down is a, then b, and then limit will be this is the basic formula of definite integral. Okay, then we know that x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. There at cannot be minus 1, n cannot be minus 1. So let me, before to do the integration, let me simplify that. X square plus a plus b whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by x dx. Now let me simplify more, then 2 to x, x square by x, that is x, 4 by x 4, then this is 4 by 4 into 1 by x dx. We know another formula, that is integration of 1 by x dx equals to ln x plus c. So since there is a limit given, so it is not necessary to use c. Now x square by 2 plus x power is 1, n plus 1 divided by 2, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So 4 integrated, this is the constant, so it will be 4x plus 4 times 1 by x is integrated, it will be ln, then it will be of modulus sign, then limit will be 2 to 3. Now let me substitute the value of 3. 3 square by 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times ln 3 minus 2 square by 2 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times ln 2. Okay. Now simplify that. This is 9 by plus 12 plus 4 ln 3 minus 4 by 2, that is we can write 2. Okay, plus 8 plus 4 ln 2. Okay, sorry, 4 ln 2, sorry, 9 over 2, then plus 12 minus 2 minus 8, so this is 6.5. Then there's 4 given, so 4 is common, this is the minus sign, so 4 ln 3 divided by 2. This is the minus, I mean 4 ln 3 minus 4 ln 2, so 4 is common, ln 3 minus ln 2, 4 ln 3 by 2. Okay, fine. This is the answer for this question. Particle is traveling in a straight line. Its displacement s meter, s denotes here displacement from the origin at time t seconds is given by s equals to 1.5 e to the power 2t plus 2 e to the power minus 2t minus t. This is the s displacement is given. We know that the displacement is differentiated. Displacement s is differentiated, we will get velocity, and if we differentiate we will get acceleration, and opposite antiderivatives, and if we integrate acceleration we will get velocity, and velocity is integrated we will get displacement. Okay, fine. Now first question, it is given to find out velocity and acceleration of the particle. The marks is 2 marks. Okay, fine. ddx of e to the power ax equals to, if I apply chain rule, it will be a to the power ax. Now let me use that concept to solve. So velocity equals to 1.5 times 2 to the power 2t plus 2 times minus 2 to the power minus 2t, and then if I differentiate t, result is 1, and then so it is becoming 3 to the power 2t after simplification, and there will be minus 4 to the power minus 2t minus 1. This is velocity. Okay, find out acceleration. It is, let me denote it by a. Acceleration, we will differentiate again 2 e to the power 2t minus 4 times minus 2 e to the power minus 2t, and constant term differentiated, I mean 1, result is 0. Okay, so 6 e to the power 2t plus 8 e to the power minus 2t, done. This is the acceleration. Find the time. Next question, when the particle is at rest. When the particle is at rest at that time, velocity is always 0. That means we can write there 3 e to the power 2x, I mean this part, minus 4 e to the power minus 2t minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, is if this is the clue, I mean what is given in at rest, that means the velocity is always 0 in that case. E to the power 2t minus 1 by, we can write it, that is in indices, it is e to the power 2t minus 1 equals to 0. Let us write e to the power 2t equals to whatever a, b, c, something else, a. 3a minus 4 times 1 by a minus 1 equals to 0. Let us multiply all these terms by a. 3a square, 4 minus a equals to 0. 3a square, let me arrange, minus 4 equals to 0. Square minus 4a plus 3a minus 4 equals to 0. So let me write a equals to 3a minus 4 plus 1, 3a minus 4 equals to 0. So a equals to 4 by 3, and a here as e to the power 2x, 2t equals to 4 by t equals to minus 1. So 2t equals to ln 4 by 3, t equals to 1 by 2 ln 4 by 3. Now this is not acceptable because e to the power 2t, it cannot be negative numbers. Half ln 4 over 3. So this is 0.143. So the answers will be 0.143. Okay, not 3, it will be 4. We have got t equals to half ln 4 by 3 and acceleration is 6 e to the power 2t plus 8 e to the power minus 2t. Okay, let me use e to the power 2 times half ln 4 by 3 plus 8 e to the power minus 2 times 1 by 2 ln 4 by 3. And directly if we use the calculators or any other ways, or 2 cancelled, is 2 cancelled, and then 8 ln this is 4 by 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, so this cancelled, so 6 times 4 by 3 plus 8 times 4 by 3 to the power minus 1. If you have confusion, you can use calculator, so you can write 3 by 4. 4 to the 8 and 3 to the 6. 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6. So 8, 6, 14. Let us try question number 8. So in this question, it is x multiplied by sine 2x. So say this is the product form. So ddx of uv equals to u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. We can apply this formula here. So equals to x ddx of sine 2x plus sine 2x ddx of x. Okay, so x times sine 2x, it will be 2 cos 2x. Okay, we know that formula. Apply chain rule. 2x differentiated, that is 2, sine 2x, it's exactly cos 2x. Now differentiation of x is 1, so let me write as sine 2x. This is done, and we can do a bit 2x cos 2x plus sine 2x. Now we need to find the equation of tangent at x equals to pi by 4. Okay, there is x given, we need the value of y. So y equals to x sine 2x. So pi by 4, sine times 2 times pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, sine pi by 2, that is 1. So this is the pi by 4 again. So y is pi by 4. Now we differentiate it. Y equals to dy dx equals to 2x cos 2x plus sine 2x. Now let me put 2 times pi by 4 cos 2 times pi by 4 plus sine 2 times pi by 4, cancelled, and 2 cos pi by 2 is 0, so the whole things will be 0, plus sine pi by 2 is 1, so the gradient is 1. We know that y minus y1 equals to dy dx x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. Okay, tangent y minus pi by 4 dy dx is 1 x minus pi by 4. Now if we simplify this, pi by 4 will be cancelled from both sides, so y equals to x. This is the equation of tangent. Okay, use part A to find the exact value of 0 to pi by 6 2x cos 2x dx. Fine. This is completely depend on previous maths. We know that dy dx equals to that is 2x cos 2x then plus sin 2x ddx of x sin 2. Let me check the question again. X sin 2x. Okay, now let us do integration. This ddx will be cancelled, so that will be as it is, and put limit pi by 6, and there will be integration sign 2x cos 2x, and there will be integration sign 0 to pi by 6 2x cos 2x dx x sin 2x minus integration of pi by 6 sin 2x dx. Okay, let's find pi by 6 sin 2 times pi by 6 minus 0 sin 0. Okay, minus this will be plus cos half 2x 0 to pi by 6. Now let me simplify. So pi by 6 root 3 by 2 pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2, then this will be 0 plus half cos 2 times pi by 6 minus half cos 0. Okay, now this will be pi root 3 by 6 plus cos pi by 3 half minus half cos 0 is 1. Okay, great. Now question 9. It is clearly mentioned here. This is the arithmetic progression. Okay, so in arithmetic progression the formulas are t n equals to a plus n minus 1 d, s n equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, that will be helpful to solve that. In arithmetic progression it has 12 terms. Sum of first 3 terms minus 36, and sum of last 3 terms are 72. S3 equals to first S3 equals to minus 36. So sum of 3 terms a plus d plus a plus 2d equals to minus 36, that is 3a plus 3d equals to minus 36. So a plus d equals to minus 12. So this is a plus d. Now next thing, last we can write, so this is the 12 terms. We can write a plus 11d plus a plus 10d plus a plus 9d. Okay, for 12 it is 11, for 11 it is 10, for 9, okay, since n minus d equals to 72. Okay, now simplify. 3a plus 21 and 30 d equals to 72. Now a plus 10d equals to 24, 324, that is 72. Okay, now let us do some we are finding out first terms and common difference. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We can do simultaneous equation, elimination method. We can solve this. 24, then a plus d equals to minus 12. Now subtract 9d, cancelled, equals to 36, d equals to 4 9 is 36, so d equals to 4. Okay, now substitute this d value in equation 1 or 2. So 1, a plus 4 equals to minus 12, a equals to minus 16. So this is value of a. Okay, fine. First three terms of geometric series is 1.2, 1.44, smallest value of n such that the sum of first n terms is greater than 500. Okay, now let us write some formulas for that. That is n term equals to a r to the power n minus 1. This is gp. Sn equals to a r to the power n minus 1 or r minus 1, or we can write in that form a 1 minus r, r to the power n 1 minus r, and sum to infinity a by 1 minus r when modulus of r less than 1. Okay, this mark sums carries 5 marks. So first three terms of this progression is given that. So a equals to 1, r equals to 1.2 divided by 1, that is 1.2. Find the smallest values of n such that sum of n terms is greater than 5. So let us write sum of n terms is greater than 500. Okay. Now let me simplify this. A, since r is greater than, we can it will be better for us to use this formula since r is greater than 1. So a is 1, r to the power n 1.2 to the power n minus 1, 1.2 minus 1 greater than 500. Let us simplify this. 1.2 minus 1 0.2, 1.2 to the power n minus 1 greater than 500 in 0.2. Okay, 500 into 0.2 100. Okay, plus 1. So let me write 1.2 to the power n greater than 1.1. Let me take ln and ln 1.2 and then ln 1 0. So let me take ln 1.2. So it is positive. So let us divide both sides by ln 1.2. Let me write ln 101 divided by ln 1.2, close the bracket. So it is becoming n greater than 25.313 blah blah blah. Now since it is greater than n greater than 26, so this is the value of n. Next question, it is from trigonometry. This is the last question from this paper. So in this question, by writing cot x and tan x in terms of cos x and sin x, show that this is the trigonometric identities. It is easy to solve. Okay, first of all let us change this cot x and tan x in terms of cot x is cos x by sin x and tan x is sin x by cos x. Okay, just let me change the trigonometry expression of left hand side, that is sin x divided by 1 minus cos x by sin x plus cos x 1 minus sin x by cos x. Okay, now multiply upper 1 by sin x and down 1 by sin x, since denominator is second expression, second fraction, we can multiply numerator by cos x and down 1 also by cos x. Now let's see what is the result. sin square x, sin x, sin x times 1 sin x, and sin x cancel, cos x, plus cos square x, cos x times 1 cos x, minus cos x cancel, so sin x. So let me now arrange, denominators a bit, it is not arranged, so take minus as common from second one, so it is becoming minus cos square x sin x minus cos x. Now let me write sin x minus cos x equals to sin square x minus cos square x, sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x is cancelled, so it is becoming sin x plus cos x. Done. This is the answer, proved. See that it is the proof, and it's done. X plus 3 cosec x equals to 10x. The range, domain is given 0 to 360. Okay. Now let me write 9 cos x by sin x plus 3 cosec x 1 by sin x. Similar way, we can write 10x as sin x by cos x. Let us do LCM. Okay. Sin x is LCM. So 9 cos x plus 3 equals to sin x by cos x. Multiplying both sides by sin x by cos x, or in another way we can say that we can do cross multiplication. Okay. So 9 cos square x plus 3 cos x equals to sin square x. Now in this time it is necessary to convert this sin x to cos x. 1 minus cos square x, and cos square x goes in minus cos square x, it will be plus cos square x, or 10 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So 10, we can factorize 10 minus 1 minus 10. We can write 5 into minus 2. Okay. So 10 cos square x plus 5 cos x minus 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. 5 cos x equals to 2 cos x plus 1 minus 1, 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. We can write 2 cos x plus 1, 5 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Then 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. 5 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Then cos x equals to minus half. Cos x equals to 1 by 5. Fine. Now we will solve that. Cos x equals to minus half. It is in the since ASTC diagram. Cos is negative in second and third quadrant. In second quadrant it is 180 minus theta, and third quadrant it is 180 plus theta. Similar way, since cos is ASTC diagram, since cos theta is positive, so it lies in first and fourth quadrant. So that is theta, and this is 360 degree minus theta. So cos inverse half cos 0.5 60. So we can write x equals to 180 degree minus 60, 180 degree plus 60. So 180 minus 60, 120 degree, and this is 240 degree. And cos x equals to 1 by 5. So if I write here 0.2, 78.5 Okay, so x equals to 78.5, another one is 360 minus 78.5, 360 minus 0.5, done. 281.5. So thank you very much for watching